Okay, then the next tool will be box joint. So let me show you here. This is the box joint. So this is a simple tool that when you want to create a joints between the two for the boxes, it will help you find. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Now for that we can't work with this part because it needs a different inputs. Just hide this part. Let's enable the sketch one. I'm going to draw in that box here. Let's keep it 5 value and select. Now select the box joint. So it's asking the parts. Actually, we need two parts here, not the one part. So instead of solid extrude, I'm going to choose thin extrude. So the whole edges to be created like this, and it should not be the solid. So let's keep it instead of this. Let's draw one by one joint. We need. Let's keep it here. Let's keep it 5. Do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just drawing. I'm just drawing the four parts here. Just keep it thin. Keep it white value. I just draw it. Save it. Uh-oh, the direction is not good. Let's change the direction to inside. Yeah. Okay, this is outside. Let's change the direction of this as well. Like inside. So the three parts should be get intersected. So let's select the box join. It is asking the parts to join. So select this and selecting this one and selecting this one. And if you see the part got drawn a joins for the both parts, okay, and the extra material was trimmed out and added with this material. So you can maintain how many joints you want. Let's keep it one, let's keep it two, three. How many joints you want, you can enable. You can try here. If you want to customize the joint size, I think that feature is not available. I'm just keeping it at 3 value. Okay, so this is the 3 count. So observe, notice this one, this is one. Okay, we have dovetail. So dovetail joint. If you see, it's like a trapezium kind of joint is being forming. You can maintain how many degrees you want. Let's give it 15, and this is it. You can clearly observe it. Okay, and if you want to be offset, let's keep it. Okay, we can simply. So this is the way how we can, by playing with the offset value, we can adjust the size of the joint. Okay, let's keep it 0, 0.5 on this side and 0.5 on this side. Okay, the where the size of the joint is dropped now and selected. So you can only do with the two parts. No, you can select how many parts you want. Okay, I think I'm wrong. It's not it's not getting work. Um, it is only happening with the two parts at a time, not with the three parts. So it is happening only with the two parts. I know this tool won't be used much, but you can give a try with it. When you want to make a crop choice, you don't need to add the follow the traditional approach, just drawing the sketches, extrude them, and make the joints. So it makes your work simple. Okay. If you don't want the double joints, let's keep uncheck it and save it. So if I hide this part, you can clearly see the gap here. Okay, this is how the box join tool works. I hope this is also helpful for you. And let's go to the final custom tool, which is chain path. Okay, I will show you the chain path. Let me show the chain path. I already made a this is the chain path tool. This is simply helps you to draw the chains in the path you want. So I already make a video, a short clip video on this how to draw the chains with this tool easily. Okay, and just I just want to simply hide all the parts. So we don't need this sketch as well. So as for example, let's choose the front plane. Just hide this one for now. Okay, just did right click on hide all bars. We don't need the sketch as well. Select the front plane, make it normal, select the sketch. And here I'm going to draw some random path using the spline. Okay, for example, I need the chain in this path. Okay, now we draw this something pattern, save the sketch. Now, select the chain path tool. It is asking the plane. So it rely on the specific plane to generate the chain. Okay. Choose the front plane. Okay. We need to give the inputs and the link inputs as well. So it is asking to select in the points. So for example, that point is asking to draw a sprocket. For example, it's asking select points to draw the. Oh, to do that, click on add sprocket. It is asking the location. Just give any point you want and the number of teeth is asking. Let's keep it 3 4. Add a sprocket. We need another location. That should be this and the so by selecting the points, it is only choosing the 2 points and creating a chain path within the selected points. Okay, so I think we given it 4. Let's drop it to 2. Okay, so the T is for creating the. Okay, so the T is for creating the corners, I think. Okay, so it we have the standard links as well. We are currently using the standard links. If you want the custom link, you can also maintain that. For example, you need to try something track, a plane, a solid, and it follows instead of the standard links. Okay. We can also use field profile, so it forms like a simple uh, belt-like structure. Okay, or else if you don't want it, you can also maintain the same one. And it's asking don't cover the gap, so add link and compress. So complete links to be the all links to be linked within the given points region. Okay, or else if you want, you can also extend link. It means it just open it like this, so you can add an extra link there. Okay, so this is the following the custom. This is all about following the points approach. Or else, if you want go with the custom path, it means this is the path I want, and the chain will be generated here. So it is asking the starting point. Let's choose this point as starting one, and let's see. And there you go, the chain got generated within the given path. And these follow the same. If you want custom links, you can also do that. I'm going to make a new video on how to design a crane track with this same tool in the upcoming videos. Please stay tuned if you want to know more. Okay, you see here we follow the extend link. Okay, so let's keep it. Don't cover the gap. I want add link and compress. Extend links. Cool. Now all links are generated, and once you save it, the chain will be created. And make sure it is formed like a composite part. These are not individual parts, these are completely a composite part. So if you add it, you can see the changes. So, okay, this is the final tool. This is how the custom tool works. Of This is how does the chain custom path works. Okay, so these are the 5 custom tools that I have shown right now in the video, guys. So let me know in the comment box which tool you like the most within these 5. Okay, or else if you are looking for any another custom tool that wants to make your work simpler, please let me know in that as well in the comment box. I will try and definitely make a video for you. I already done the same process in the previous as well. So just let me know in the comment box, and I will definitely make for the video. And I hope you like the information what I have shared in this channel. And I'm going to pin these links of these custom tools if you are unable to find them within the toolbar. Sometimes it won't be found. Okay, you can check in the description and access these tools and happy carry. Okay, thank you for watching, thank you for support. If you really like it, please to like, share and subscribe our channel, guys, and make sure your subscribe will definitely worth for you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye, guys.